I sneeze whiskey. I'm going to turn around and walk through the steps with you. Starting with your right foot, you're going to go ahead forward and tap, back with the left. Then you're going to kick. You're going to do a slow coaster step. Back, together, forward. Now you're going to slide to your left, slide to the right. You're going to do the left foot forward, tap, step back on the right, and you're going to kick. You're going to do another coaster step, back, together, forward. You're going to step to the side, tap. Then you're going to do a quarter turn to your left and tap. Step to the right, tap, and left tap. And then you start all over again. I will go ahead and go through this with counts, starting with your right foot. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the end of the dance. Thank you.